Hi there, it's Iman at White Lance, and we are today going to go through some of the features that will give you a more streamlined process of customers sending offers to freelancers. Now, a bit of context here that in this use case, it is the customer that's creating the milestones rather than the freelancers. And instead of the customer just starting a contract, they are sending an offer to a freelancer who then has to accept it. So those are the two modes that we're in at the moment in this use case. And the features that we've now built on top of those two modes means that if you are using those two modes, it's going to be a more streamlined process. So first of all, you'll see that this is the proposal that a freelancer has sent through in response to a customer's open job. And the first thing you'll notice is that on this page, the customer is now already in the edit mode in terms of editing the proposal to add tasks. So normally when it's the customer who creates the milestones, there's a button up here that says edit proposal that they have to click on, and then only when they're in the edit phase, then they can add milestones or tasks. So in this case, it's kind of pre-opened. So now the customer can go and add tasks here. So new task. And we'll say it's individual milestone and the cost is $10 or $100. Save. Now the second thing you'll notice is that previously there was a button here that says like send update to freelancer or send to freelancer. And what that would do is it sends a email notification to the freelancer to say, hey, this customer has made some updates on this proposal. You may want to take a look in order to decide whether you are okay with that. Now, by removing this button, it basically prevents the customer from notifying the freelancer that edits have been made. But in this use case, it really doesn't matter, because when we've enabled the offer flow, the next thing that we're going to do as a customer is to send this offer to the freelancer. And in any case, they're then going to see the offer, they're going to see the updates, and then make a decision based on what they see, whether to accept the offer or not. So basically, we've removed this step, which makes it easier for your customers. And then the final thing we've done here is we've moved the send offer button from the top down to the bottom. So you can add whatever tasks you want here. And then the logical next step for you to do is, after you've saved all these tasks, is to send that offer to the freelancer. Send offer. Now, the final thing to note here is that we've made one update to the freelancer side, such that when the freelancer is viewing the updated proposal and they're deciding whether to accept the offer or not that the customer has made to them, I think it's this one. There we go. Instead of the offer button appearing at the top here, instead it's appearing at the bottom. So then they can then click accept offer, and now it's a live contract. And that's it.